Hi everyone, welcome to Shreya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you very elegant cotton items. All are very comfortable for office wear and semi-party wear kind of an item this is. Okay, so these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, can you do log into our website, which is www.shreyathaCottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. Now let me show you the items one by one. The first item is a linen cotton top with a complete batik patterns. Okay, so this is the first item. It's a linen cotton fabric. The fabric is linen cotton. Okay, you will be getting a complete batik dyed patterns all over the top. So this is a dark navy blue color. This is. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Very comfortable item this is. This is how the top looks. Dark navy blue color, completely batik dyed linen cotton fabric this is, and you will be getting a linen cotton bottom, completely batik dyed linen cotton bottom this is. Okay, you will be getting a printed work only in the bottom portion. Okay, above portion and all will be plain. Only in the bottom portion you will be getting the printed patterns, and this comes with a completely batik dyed linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta. Completely batik dyed dupatta this is. The fabric is linen cotton top, the linen cotton dupatta and the linen cotton bottom, priced only for 1200 with free shipping. In this we have got 5 colors, all are very bright colors. So this is the dark navy blue, and the next is dark orange. Okay, so this is a dark orange color linen cotton fabric. This is not pure linen, this is a linen by cotton fabric. Will be very comfortable to wear. Looks very good when you stitch and wear it. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting printed patterns on both the sides. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a printed bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, same color bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is a very soft dupatta. You will be getting a kind of very small zari weavings on the borders, but this is not pure zari weavings, kind of a thread weavings this is. Okay, so this is how the set looks. It's a dark orange color linen cotton top, the linen cotton dupatta and the bottom, priced only for 1200 with free shipping. So the next is black. Okay, it's a black color. Okay, so this is how the top will be, completely batik dyed linen cotton top with the same color printed bottom, and you will be getting a same color completely printed linen cotton dupatta. Okay, very lengthy dupatta this is, priced only for 1200 with free shipping. The next one is kind of a dark magenta pink. So this is how the top looks. Very beautiful color this is, and you will be getting a same color bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is priced only for 1200 with free shipping. This is how the set looks. Completely batik dyed linen cotton top with a linen cotton dupatta and a bottom, priced only for 1200 with free shipping. So we have got one more color. That's beautiful green. Okay, so that might be a slight color variation. So kindly do check our pictures in our website for actual colors. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Beautiful item this is, very elegant item. This is how the top looks, and you will be getting a same color printed bottom. This is how the bottom will be, and this is the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1200 with free shipping. We have got 5 colors, all are very beautiful colors. It's a linen cotton top with the linen cotton dupatta and a cotton bottom, priced only for 1200 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is a Jaipur cotton item. Okay, so this is a Jaipur cotton item, dark maroon color Jaipur cotton top with a complete hand block prints. The full top has got a hand block prints. In the yoke portion you will be getting a very beautiful thread work and very minute bead work. Okay, So this is again a very elegant item. So this is a kind of an ajrak dyed item, but this is not original ajrak. This is simple hand block printed Jaipur cotton set. So this is how the top will be, completely hand block printed item. You will be getting a print on both the sides, and you will be getting a plain black color bottom with this cotton bottom. This is, and you will be getting a plain cotton dupatta. Very very simple item, but very comfortable for office wears. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 925 with free shipping. It's a cotton top with a cotton dupatta and a cotton bottom. Priced only for 925 with free shipping. We have got one more color in this. The next is black. Okay, completely hand block printed Jaipur cotton top with a very beautiful bead work and thread work in the yoke portion. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So you can stitch without lining itself. Lining is optional for this. Okay, and this is the bottom. You will be getting dark maroon color cotton bottom. This is, and this is the dupatta. Cotton dupatta, soft cotton dupatta. This is with the borders on all the four sides. Okay, so this is priced only for 925 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is a beautiful item. It's a premium quality silk cotton top. This is, okay, so this is how the top will be. The fabric will be very soft only. This is not like a stiff silk cotton. It's a very very comfortable fabric, and you will be getting a beautiful thread works all over the top. All these are complete thread work, not printed work. Okay, so this is just a plain item. You will be getting only the thread embroidery work all over the top. This is how the top will be. The back portion will be plain. There won't be any embroidery work. Okay, and you will be getting a plain bottom, cotton silk bottom. This is, okay, and you will be getting a beautifully printed kalamkari printed linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. Very very elegant item. This is priced only for 1250 with free shipping. It's a black color premium quality silk cotton top with the same color silk cotton bottom, and you will be getting a completely printed linen cotton dupatta, priced only for 1250 with free shipping. We have got 5 colors in this. So this is black. So the next is beautiful pink, dark pink. This is, okay, with the beautiful thread embroidery work all over the top. Looks very very good when you stitch and wear it. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a dark pink color, premium quality silk cotton top, and you'll be getting the same color cotton silk bottom with this, and you will be getting a completely printed linen cotton dupatta. Very beautiful dupatta this is. As a set, it looks very pretty. Okay, so this is how the dupatta looks. Very lengthy dupatta also. Okay, priced only for 1250 with free shipping. So next is navy blue. Okay, it's a navy blue color linen cotton top. Sorry, cotton silk top. This is the dupatta alone is a linen cotton. Okay, this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a same color cotton silk bottom with this. Okay, and this is the dupatta. It's a completely kalamkari printed linen cotton dupatta. Priced only for 1250 with free shipping. So the next is light grey. Okay, very light grey. This is with a beautiful thread embroidery work all over the top. Beautiful colors. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a light grey color premium quality silk cotton top with the same color cotton silk bottom. Okay, and you will be getting a same color light grey color completely kalamkari printed linen cotton dupatta. Priced only for 1250 with free shipping. We have got one more color. So that's beautiful dark bottle green. Okay, all the colors in this are very very good, so don't miss it. This is how the top will be. It's a premium quality silk cotton top with a premium quality silk cotton bottom. Same color bottom you will be getting with this, and this is the dupatta. It's a completely kalamkari printed linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set will be. So this is priced only for 1,250 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with the page. Bye bye all.